Subscribe our channel for more learning videos. Hi there, I am Donut the duck. Meet my cute fuzzy little ducklings. They have been swimming and playing all day long. Before we go home, I need to take all my ducklings with me. Will you help me count them? You will! Great! How many little ducklings can you see? 1 and 2. There are 2 ducklings. Look here, one more. How many ducklings are there in all? 1, 2. Add one more. 1, 2, 3. Good job. There are 3 ducklings. Look, here comes 2 more. 3 add 2 more makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ducklings. Great counting, everyone. Let's look over there. 2 little ducklings. 1 and 2. Here comes 2 more. 2 add 2 makes 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ducklings. Excellent! Good work! Here comes one more duckling. Now, how many ducklings we have got? 4 add 1 more makes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 little ducklings. Bravo! Now we can go home. Thanks for helping me count my little ducklings. Bye-bye! Thanks for watching!